Course corrected to 1000.
Engaging waypoint B now, Captain.
All systems nominal, sir.
Course corrected to 23.5.
Acknowledged. Maintaining speed.
Excellent. Smooth sailing ahead.
Secure the decks. Passengers, please move inside immediately. Move, move, move! Hard to port. Maintain bearing. Aye, aye, Captain. Wind speed 80 knots. Secure all decks. Brace for impact. Oh no! Grab the railing. We're going over! Stay low. Help me! The door won't hold! Get back! It's breaking! Run! Now!
The door's leaking! Grab the rail! The water is rising fast! Call for help! We have to get out of here! Watch out! Here it comes!
Main reactor pressure unstable. Warning! Structural integrity failing. Evacuate engine room, now! The ship is taking on water. Controls are failing. We need to secure the bridge now.
Main systems are down, Captain.
Keep fighting it. The ship is shaking! The mast is cracking! Run, it's falling! Watch out! No! Oh! Oh! Watch out! Hold fast! Another wave is coming! The engines are failing, we're losing power! Brace for impact! We can't hold us steady!
Hold fast! Look out! Oh. Mayday, we have a breach!
down! We're losing power! Mayday! Mayday! Going down! Hold it together! Just a little more! Almost there, mate! Keep fighting it! It's sealing! It's sealing! We got this! Breathe! Push! Harder! It's not moving! One more time! No! It's turning! Keep going! Oh! Hold on to me. Don't let go.
I can't. Everything hurts.
Excellent. We're right on schedule, Navigator.
Confirmed, Captain. Clear waters ahead.
Status green, Captain.